Assalamu alaikum dear students, it's me Muhammad Zubair Khan and this is the second video of this week, of the second week or third week. So we were discussing the unweighted average of relatives index, and we have discussed in the previous class that how to find out the unweighted average of relatives index by using arithmetic mean as an average. Now by taking the same examples we can do calculation for unweighted average of relatives index if we use median as an average. So the median formula is very much simple, as we mentioned that whenever we are using the median as an average, so the formula is very much simple, that size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item if we calculate the items and if we arrange the item. But remember one thing, that first you need to convert the given values of different items, the given prices of different items in different time periods into price relatives. And the formula is V equal to Pn over P naught multiplied by 100. Means that P naught over P naught multiplied by 100, so we are getting 100. Then P1 over P naught multiplied by 100, so we are getting this value. Then P2 over P naught multiplied by 100, so we are getting this value. So by this way, you can find out the price relatives. These are called simple price index, or the price relatives are of each commodity for each given years. After finding the price relatives of each commodities, we don't need, in case of median, the summation of the price relatives, but we need the values that we have. These values, we have these values to find out the unweighted average of relatives by using median as an average. We need these values. But as you remember that you have studied in the calculation of median, whenever we have the ungrouped data or we have the simple data and we are calculating the the median, so first we need to arrange the item in ascending order or in descending order. So for base year, if we take a start for 1980, first we have to arrange the items in ascending order or in descending order. But for 1980, the price relatives are same, 100, 100 and 100. So we can write for 1980, it should be equal to 100. And how? Let me show you. For 1980, the prices that we have, 100, again 100, again 100. We are writing in ascending order, but the prices are same, so it will remain same. Now how many items we have? 1, 2, 3. So n equal to 3, n equal to 3. Now what will be the median? The mid value is the median. Directly you can choose in case of odd numbers, but by using the formula we can find out I 1980 is equal to size of n plus 1 over 2th item. Now look at size of n 3 plus 1 over 2th item. Now size of n plus 1 4 over 2th item. Yeah, it will become size of second item. Means 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So second item. So size of second item is what? 100. This is the first item, this is the second item. So this will become the first value, that I 1980 is equal to what? 100. This is the first value. Because it's a base year, so it should be equal to 100%. The next one for 1981. For 1981. First, you have to arrange the items. These are the price relatives of 1981. These are already calculated. So you will take a start from lowest value. This is the lowest value. 104.17, comma 108.51, comma 166.76, 7. Now again, n is 3, so we will write the formula I 1981 is equal to, now size of n plus 1 over 2th item. Again, by following the same procedure, size of 3 plus 1 over 2th item, or size of 4 by 2th item, size of second item. 2 2s are 4, so it will become second item. Now you will search out what is the size of second item in these three. This is the second item. This is the size of the second item. So it will become 108.51. That is I 1981. Means the unweighted average of relatives index for 1981 is 108.51 by using median as an average. For the next year, for 1982, first you have to arrange the items, arrange the price relatives for 1982. So the first one is 112.5, the second one 127.66, and 233.3. After the arrangement in ascending order, then write the formula I 1982 is equal to, again, size of n plus 1 divided by 2th item. Put the values, size of 3 plus 1 over 2th item, because number of items are 3, and then size of 4 by 2th item, or size of second item. So size of second item in a data, that is how much? Second item 112.5, so 127.6. 127.66%. This will become I 1982. Now if you compare the indices for 3 years by using median as an average, you can search out the difference. This is 100% and this is 127.66. So if you do subtraction, 127.66 minus 100, so it will become how much? 27.66%. So you can say the prices are increased by 27.66% from 1980 to 1982. Now by this way you can use the method, the average, and you can calculate the unweighted average of relatives. You can use you can use the average like arithmetic mean, you can use the average like median, you can use the average like geometric mean also, but in geometric mean you will need to take logarithm and anti-logarithm. So you have to follow only these two averages to calculate the unweighted average of relatives by using the two averages like arithmetic mean and geometric mean. I will give you few examples in the notes, as well as I will give you few questions as an assignment to use arithmetic mean and median as an average, and you have to calculate the unweighted average of relatives index. So thank you very much. In the next week, inshallah, we will study the weighted aggregative indices. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.